How to find Shopify experts on Fiverr. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to find the greatest Shopify experts on Fiverr. So if you want to make sure to find out the best experts, please do make sure to click on the link in the description below, okay? Because that link will take you to the best Shopify experts, okay? So you're going to click on the link in the description below, and once you come over to Fiverr, you can just simply go ahead and write Shopify, let's say. So you can do this, come down here, and you can see you get all these different Shopify experts. Now it depends on what you want to do with Shopify. You can build a Shopify store for yourself, or passive income and drop shipping on Shopify. And there's different types of experts for different types of niches and categories. So you can find them all here. Or as I said, just go ahead and click on the link in the description below, and you're gonna get all the different experts that you want. Preferably just click on the link. It saves you a lot of time, it helps you, and you're gonna get the best experts. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.